Hey, prices are going down, right? But what if I told you at the same time, most of the people are losing their jobs and not finding works at all? Yes, you're listening right. Today's big question, why is inflation falling but unemployment is rising in India? And what does it mean for all of us? Let's understand this simply. What the number says, in May, India's inflation came down to below 3%, which means the prices are not rising too fast. And in the same month, unemployment rose 5.1 in April to 5.8 in May. So here, prices are stable, but people are not getting enough jobs. Let's pause. Do you know what inflation is? I guess most of you heard the word inflation. Am I right? But do you really know what it is? I'll explain. Inflation is general rise in price over a time. I'll give example for you. If milk cost 40 rupees last year, 48 rupees this year, that's inflation. This means you need more money to buy the same thing which you bought earlier for less. When inflation is high, everything feels expensive. But now inflation is low, means prices are stable. But the sad part is, even the prices are stable, people can't afford the things because they don't have jobs. Coming to the real picture, just imagine you go to a shop and see the price of rice and dal, which hasn't increased. That's low inflation. But your cousin or neighbor is jobless or a graduate searching for work for months. This means controlling prices is not enough. People also need employment to live with dignity. This is happening because only few sectors are growing and people are not spending much. So, businesses don't hire. Do you know what experts are saying? Economists warn us only watching inflation and ignoring unemployment is like checking body temperature and leaving breathing problems. Yes, you're listening right. Both must be seen together to know the real condition of our economy. So yes, it's good that inflation is under control. But we must ask, are we creating enough jobs for people of our country? Just think about it. Because a strong economy isn't just about cheaper prices. It's about giving people the opportunity to live, earn and grow. If you found this explanation helpful, please share with someone who want to understand India better. Let's keep learning simply and clearly. Thank you.